The car owner just bought a second-hand car, but after driving it for 2 days, he didn't dare to drive it. He said it felt strange to drive it. Leave me a message in the comment area and let me check it for him. Taking this opportunity today, let me share with you how to inspect a used car. Please give me a like and favorites to prevent you from being deceived when buying a car. Buy used car. Just check these 5 points. It can prevent you from buying an accident car, flooded car, dangerous car. First, check seat belts. Look, there is a production date on the seat belt. If it does not match the production date on the vehicle nameplate, it means that the airbag of this car has been triggered. There was probably a big accident. Second, in the driving position, check the steering column and brake accelerator pedal for rust, if any. It indicates that this may be a flooded vehicle. Third, on the pillar of our car, there are 2 rubber stoppers. Pick it open. Look, there are 2 screws inside. It's used to fix the center console. If the screws show signs of being removed, it means the center console has been replaced. There must have been a big accident. Fourth, we found this oil cap. Unscrew it. If there is a lot of black sludge in the engine oil cap, it shows that the engine maintenance is very poor. If you buy it home, it will need major repairs in a minute. Fifth, check the 2 gantry frames in front of the car. Check whether the left and right sides are symmetrical. Then check whether there are any traces of knocking or welding on the gantry. If any, it means it had a big accident. This kind of car is usually very cheap. If the car dealer didn't tell you in advance, he just wants to deceive you. Have you learned it? Follow me. Learn some car knowledge every day.